Anna, I took an online quiz last night. What is your life purpose?
Oh no, what did it say?
My purpose is a traffic cone.
A traffic cone?
You guide others safely through chaos, even if nobody thanks you for it.
That is oddly poetic for a piece of orange plastic.
I stared at that result for 10 full minutes, Anna. 10 minutes! Genuinely considering whether I am spiritually a traffic cone.
And are you?
I do not know. That is the problem. I have taken maybe 15 of these quizzes over the years. I have gotten a lighthouse, a golden retriever, and once, somehow, autumn.
You have been autumn.
I have been autumn, and not one of these quizzes has made me feel 1% closer to understanding what I'm actually supposed to be doing with my life.
Because they're not built to help you. They're built to keep you clicking.
So how does anyone actually find their purpose then? Real answer. No traffic cones.
That is exactly what we are doing today. And I promise you, the real answer is a lot less mystical and a lot more useful than any quiz result.
Better than autumn?
Much better than autumn. Everyday conversations. I'm Anna.
And I'm Jake, currently recovering from a traffic cone identity crisis.
Today, we're talking about a big question. How to find your purpose.
But not in a heavy way, right?
No, we're keeping it simple, real, and useful.
Good, because when people say find your purpose, I feel like I should climb a mountain and stare into the distance.
You do not need a mountain.
Excellent. I do not own mountain shoes.
This episode is B1 to B2 level. We will talk about purpose as direction, not pressure.
Direction. I like that already.
Later in Word Tour, we will slow down some useful vocabulary.
And in Say It Better, we will upgrade some simple sentences about feeling lost, stuck, or unsure.
We will also tell you about something we created to help you build more confident answers to everyday English questions.
Which I need, because sometimes my complete answer is just fine.
We're working on it.
Slowly.
Let's begin. I think the first mistake people make is believing that purpose is one perfect answer.
Like there is one special thing hidden somewhere.
Yes, and if you do not find it, you feel like you are failing.
That is exactly how it feels, like everyone else got a map and I got a traffic cone.
But purpose is usually not one fixed thing.
It is not?
No. Your purpose can change as your life changes.
So the thing that matters to me at 25 may not be the same thing that matters to me at 40.
Right. Your direction can grow with you.
That makes it feel less scary.
Good, because purpose should help you move, not freeze you.
I like that. Purpose should move you, not freeze you.
And it doesn't have to be huge.
So I don't need to change the whole world by Friday?
No.
Wonderful. My Friday was already busy.
Purpose can be found in ordinary things too. Helping your family, teaching someone, building something carefully, solving problems at work, taking care of people.
So purpose is not always loud.
Not always. Sometimes it is quiet, but still meaningful.
Meaningful. That feels like an important word.
It is. Meaningful means something matters to you.
So instead of asking, what is my one big purpose, maybe I should ask, what feels meaningful to me?
Much better.
Could something meaningful eventually become a calling?
It could. A calling is something you feel strongly pulled to do.
So it may grow slowly instead of arriving as one big answer.
Exactly. You may understand it better as you live, learn, and try different things.
But how do I find that? Do I just sit alone and think very deeply?
Thinking helps, but thinking alone can also confuse you.
I knew it. My midnight thinking has produced nothing except traffic cone results.
Purpose often becomes clearer after action.
After action?
Yes, you try things and then you notice how they feel.
So I do not need the full answer before I start.
No, sometimes you start first and the answer becomes clearer later.
That is a relief.
Think about this. Have you ever done something and lost track of time?
Yes, when I help a friend fix a problem on their phone.
Interesting.
I complain at first, obviously.
Naturally.
But then I get into it. I like figuring out what went wrong.
That is a clue.
A clue?
Yes, not a final answer, but a clue. Purpose often leaves clues in the moments when you feel engaged.
Engaged means interested and involved, right?
Yes, you are not just doing the task. You care about it.
So if I feel alive while helping someone solve a problem, that tells me something.
It does. That kind of activity may feel fulfilling to you.
Fulfilling, as in it gives you a deeper sense of satisfaction.
Right. You do not only enjoy doing it, afterwards, you feel that it was worth your time.
Yes, that is exactly how it feels. Maybe my purpose is not a traffic cone. Maybe it is problem solving.
Much better.
Still slightly traffic cone, though, guiding people through chaos.
We're moving away from the cone.
Slowly.
And noticing those clues is a good beginning, but there's another simple way to test whether something may feel meaningful to you.
I'm ready.
I call it the Tuesday test.
Why Tuesday?
Because Tuesday is not special.
True. Tuesday has very little personality.
Purpose is not only about exciting moments, it is also about ordinary days.
So, not just big achievements.
No. Ask yourself, would this still feel worth doing on a normal Tuesday?
That is a very honest question.
It is. For example, someone may love the idea of being a teacher.
It sounds meaningful.
But the Tuesday version includes planning lessons, answering questions, repeating the same explanation, and helping one tired student understand one small thing.
So the real question is, do you still care on the ordinary day?
Yes. And when the daily work matches what you genuinely care about, there's alignment.
Meaning what you do and what you value fit together.
Right.
Even on an ordinary Tuesday.
Especially then.
That is much more useful than asking, what is my dream life?
Dreams are nice, but ordinary days tell the truth.
That line hurts a little.
In a helpful way?
In a Tuesday way.
Good.
The Tuesday test helps when you already have something you want to explore. But what if someone has no direction at all and feels completely stuck?
That feeling is also information.
It does not feel like information. It feels like sitting in wet socks.
Strange image, but clear.
Thank you.
If you feel stagnant, it may mean you are not growing in the place you are.
Stagnant, like water that is not moving.
Yes, in life, stagnant means stuck, not growing or changing.
So if I keep feeling bored, heavy, or flat in one area, I should notice it?
Yes, not panic, notice.
There is a difference.
A big one. Feeling stagnant does not mean your whole life is wrong.
Good.
It may simply mean you need more learning, more challenge, more connection, or more meaning.
So the feeling is not the final answer.
No, it is a signal.
Like a traffic cone.
Jake.
Sorry. Last one.
I do not believe you.
Fair. Okay, so what should someone actually do this week?
Something very simple. For 7 days, write down 2 moments each day.
2 moments.
First, 1 moment when time passed quickly.
Like when I was interested or engaged.
Yes. Second, 1 moment when time dragged.
Like when every minute felt heavy.
Right. Do not judge the moments, just collect them.
Like evidence.
Yes. After 7 days, look for patterns.
What kind of patterns?
Maybe you feel most alive when you help people. Maybe when you make things. Maybe when you organize. Maybe when you explain. Maybe when you solve problems.
And the moments when time drags?
Those can show you what drains you.
This feels doable.
That is the point. Purpose does not always arrive as one big answer.
Sometimes it appears as a pattern.
Yes, a pattern you can follow.
So my homework is to notice what gives me energy and what drains me.
Perfect.
And ignore online quizzes.
Maybe reduce them.
I will miss autumn.
Autumn will survive.
And while autumn recovers, we have some useful words to practice.
Time for Word Tour, where we slow down useful words from today's conversation.
Today's words are for anyone who feels a little lost, a little stuck, or spiritually close to a traffic cone.
Our first word is direction.
Direction.
Direction means the way you are moving or the path you are following.
Not a perfect plan.
No, just a clearer way forward.
You could say, I do not have a full plan yet, but I am starting to find direction.
Very useful sentence.
Our next word is meaningful.
Meaningful. Meaningful.
Meaningful means something feels important or valuable to you.
It matters.
You could say, I want to do work that feels meaningful.
Simple, honest, and strong.
Our next word is stagnant.
Stagnant. Stagnant.
Stagnant means not moving, not growing, or not changing.
You could say, I felt stagnant in my old job.
That means the person felt stuck.
Yes, they were not learning or moving forward.
Our next word is alignment.
Alignment. Alignment.
Alignment means different parts of your life match or support each other.
Like your work, your values, and your goals.
You could say, I want more alignment between my work and what I care about.
A very useful sentence for this topic.
Our next word is fulfilling.
Fulfilling. Fulfilling.
Fulfilling means something gives you a deep feeling of satisfaction.
Not just fun.
Right, deeper than fun.
You could say, teaching feels fulfilling to me.
And our final word is calling.
Calling. Calling.
A calling is something you feel strongly pulled to do.
It feels personally right for you.
You could say, for her, nursing feels like a calling, not just a job.
So today's words are direction, meaningful, stagnant, alignment, fulfilling, and calling.
6 words, 0 official traffic cones.
Progress.
And these words can help you express some big ideas about your life.
But sometimes knowing useful words is not the real problem. You know what you want to say, but when someone asks you a question, your answer comes out much smaller than the idea in your mind.
Fine. It was good. Nothing much. And now let's use some of today's vocabulary to improve a few simple sentences.
Let's make them clearer, more natural, and easier to use.
This is Say It Better.
Today, Say It Better is about purpose, direction, and feeling a little unsure.
Feeling unsure. Finally, a topic I am qualified for.
We are not making the sentences fancy.
We are making them clearer.
Clearer, more natural, and easier to use.
That sounds much more helpful. First sentence. I don't know what to do with my life.
A very common feeling.
And a very common sentence.
A better way to put it is, I'm still trying to find direction.
That sounds calmer.
Yes, you are not saying, I am lost forever.
You are saying, I'm still figuring out my path.
Much better. Next sentence. I want a job that matters.
Clear, but a little general.
A stronger version is, I want to do work that feels meaningful.
That sounds more natural.
Yes, meaningful tells us the work has value to you.
Not just money, not just status.
Something deeper.
Next sentence. My job is boring.
Honest, but a little flat.
What is the better way?
I've been feeling stagnant in this role.
That sounds more serious.
Yes, it means you feel stuck and you are not growing.
So it explains the problem better than simply saying boring.
Right. Next sentence. My work and my life don't match.
I understand it, but it sounds a little messy.
A cleaner version is, I want more alignment between my work and what I actually care about.
That sounds thoughtful.
It shows that you are looking for a better match.
Between your values and your daily life.
Yes.
Last sentence. I really love what I do.
That is already a nice sentence.
But we can make it stronger.
Try. This work feels fulfilling to me.
That sounds deeper.
Yes, it means the work gives you real satisfaction.
Not just enjoyment.
Something more lasting.
So that is the big idea today, right?
Yes, purpose is not always one huge answer.
Sometimes it is a direction.
Sometimes it is a pattern.
And sometimes it starts with noticing what feels meaningful.
That is a much better place to begin.
So final verdict? Am I still a traffic cone?
No, you are a person collecting clues about what feels meaningful.
That is a big upgrade.
This week, try the 7-day practice. Each day, write down one moment when time passed quickly and one moment when time dragged.
Then look for patterns.
Notice what gives you energy, what drains you, and what you continue to care about, even on an ordinary Tuesday.
In the comments, tell us what is one thing that feels meaningful to you.
It could be something big or something very ordinary.
Or tell us your strangest online quiz result.
Do not make your English smaller than your ideas.
Build the answer you really want to give.
Thank you for spending this time with us. Keep leaping.
See you in the next one.
Bye for now.